Oh, that's colourful. That is really bright.
You tell him. I said to me.
It was like blurry right there. You can't see me. Ha ha ha. You can see this. Oh! Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today it is Bonfire night! Yeah, I know, it's like the Saturday after the Bonfire night. You can't see it because it's really dark. And so, we're just doing bonfires. Oh my gosh, now there's another firework going off.
Oh, traffic light.
Ooh. I know with my auntie, my uncle,
Green.
my cousin, my second cousin, my dad, my mum, my brother. We'll just chill out. So. Fireworks left.
I got the kid.
Bonfire. Hello.
You have to say what it is.
Oh, I don't give his hand.
Oh.
Oh, pretty. What? Hang on. Mark, here, put this up to me.
Yeah. You can't hear me. It's like pink on here. The fire's like pink. I can barely see Bobby. Bobby. Hang on. It's full moon out like.
That's all, Andy.
Everybody
That's all,
do.
Andy. Stop. Come on, then. Go to the empty cafe.
That's the people at the house like over there. You can see that. Oh my gosh, you can only just see me.
Yeah. Don't put that going no further.
Alright. Hey, more fireworks.
All anti-Caffey's hand while I just help Uncle Nick. Any more on? There you go, all anti-Caffey's hand. Shut Andy. There we are. Oh, can I borrow your mitts? I like your mittens. Where the hell did these come? Oh! This fucking hell, I'm going to kill myself. There they are.
Wow, what's the matter?
Oh, you brought my favourite. Starbusters.
Yeah, they're the ones I just brought up. I've never seen them. Oh, and then the nice ones that shoot up in the air and then like a bang. Oh my gosh, it's like, hey up. When's the next coming?
Mark, where's he gone?
Hey look, there's a cafe wheel.
Where are you? Can you give that to Uncle oh. You know what I mean.
Your dad.
Hang on a minute. What about this end?
They can't even make the box fall off.
Why don't you just bring old box?
I can't carry the old box.
So many.
Hang on, we're having a starburst first.
Are we? Oh, all right.
Yeah.
That's the one I did get out there. It's juice.
Oh, you two look really creepy on this camera with just like two lights.
Ellie, where are you?
Hello. I'm here. Thank you.
Oh, you want to go?
I get to put this on. Dad, more rubbish.
Go on then. Pop it on.
Then step back because James knows he can't go any nearer.
James.
Yeah.
Fireworks.
What?
Oh.
We're having a starburst. Auntie next favourite.
Ah.
Hiya! Hiya! Watch! Watch!
Look where then, Alan.
Here, look.
Alright.
You're right, I mean.
Oh, look at the moon. Hey, up. Look, come on, look away, can you? Watch. Done. Whoa! Oh, Nate.
Oh, that, I caught that really good. I got that good on here.
You're like a bloody cat.
I got a really good shot on that. I'm keeping this. Hey up, duds.
Remove the centre to pierce the...
Is that a Christmas card box?
No.
What is it then?
A box. It's just a box.
What's next?
This is a sizzling Swiss. This is a sizzling Swiss.
Sizzling steam.
Sizzling Swisser.
It's a sizzling Swizzling Swiss or whatever it is.
Swizzer. Is that right? I
No,
don't
it's a
know.
centennial. Yeah. Boo.
Hey,
Hello. Yeah. Hey, here he goes.
Oh, I better step up. Oh, wait. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, that was a decent one, wasn't it?
They're my favourite one.
Won't anything come down?
Oh, okay.
Will anything come down from the fireworks?
Yeah.
Good. Because I don't like being stood right underneath one.
Come there.
I really can't stand that.
I'm going to put with the light on you. Look. What?
Oh, my flipping out. Hey, up, we got a rocket. We got a
Hey,
rocket. A rocket.
no, they don't. What go?
Hey.
Full of plastic.
It's just that singing.
That would hide in the trees.
After all that.
Hey, traffic.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh yes.
Then after all that.
Die post.
Yeah, there's one left.
Jeez, I don't come from fire.
Buy some earmuffs. Ellie,
Yeah.
tell me what you want, what you really want.
There we go, thanks. Rubbish. Oh,
What? Tell me what I want, what I really want.
that was it. That wasn't much.
Oh, don't do that.
Oh.
You made me jump, mister. Goodbye, Dave. Again. What? Here it comes.
Stick them all on another massive firework party.
Hammer off. I'll tell you.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Watch you go. Boom. Right.
That just shone in my face.
Oh,
Oh, great. Golly battery.
Someone shot me.
I don't know, but it's stone.
Maybe it counts.
Party. You just told me a secret. You just told me a secret.
Annette, Max, have you let off?
Nope, the one always lies. Which one do we have next?
This one. No. You got roasting my ass off for you. Yeah. I took some bloody head off.
Hey, we got another one.
Hey, up, what we got?
On a spatula.
Don't stick out my nose.
I'll stick it up your bum.
Mac.
Hey, Matt.
Go on, I'll have one back with him.
Mr. East.
Nee.
Nee.
Oh, I got some pork.
Oh, don't whip it in my face.
Oh, wow.
You're on out.
This is a better one than last weekend.
No. Oh, I got it.
Hey. A.
You want to be over here.
Hey.
You want to be the fireworks. Yeah, we'll do it.
H. E. L. E. N.
Roman candle.
You guys, I love. You guys like Jack.
Can Sarah have a sparkler, please?
Yay, go Sarah.
That's on that teacher.
This is Sarah. This is people. This is Dad. Wait, no, that's Mom. This is Sarah. Oh, sugar.
Hey, all right,
Gosh.
Here, Roman candle.
The benders.
Right, you red. Keep on your red. Roman candle. Yeah. Look at Mummy. Quick candle, look. Oh.
Good candle.
I mean, sparkler.
Can you get one and then you were doing a Roman candle?
I wish this would go out now.
Wow. A.
You list now.
M. E.
Yay.
Mum's spilling here. Nid. Oh, Mark was. He did ever so well. What? It went out. Jim, didn't you? Oh, yeah. Hey, up, here we go.
Oh God.
What?
I'm not sure if I don't like these.
Well, are you? Yeah.
Oh yeah, I
Oh.
like these.
Ooh, aren't they colourful? I like the ones that go bang best.
Yeah, no. Ay.
Better, isn't he?
Yay! Sarah's doing now. You always have fun with a sparkler, no matter what age you are.
Oh, it's not a bit funny. When we go stand over here with it now.
Aw.
No, you can't go down, sweetie. Oh, look, Mummy's there. Hey, oh, hold on. Hang on,
Hey!
hold on. There we are. Well, at least you got a bit of a...
Fire!
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, Jim. Oh, you're okay. Oh, Mark, look what that idiot's doing. Get out of the way. Mark, that material you've got on is highly flammable because it's a football shirt. If you get a spark off the fire on it, it'll burn you.
And you're dead.
No, he won't be dead.
Oh.
You bloody wally. Oh, that's better.
Nice, it'll go up. I don't go too near it.
Oh, no, it's...
Oh great, another box of stuff.
No, not yet, there isn't. Oh, my God.
What's in
Have a
there?
look at this, our cafe. Have a look at this big one I got.
What
Look
is
at this one. This is Big Ben.
oh,
Jesus, wait.
flipping egg?
That's Big Ben, is that?
I just want to
What,
swear.
that one? Oh, just show that for me.
I want to
Is
swear
it that
right
one
now,
what's Big
but I'm-
Ben? That's the Big Ben, look.
Ah!
Bloody hell. That's a 37 shot.
Oh, more
This is a Mercury Menace 90 shot, and this one's even fucking heavier. And this is
Hey up.
36.
No.
Yay!
Whoa!
Nice!
That was really good.
Are you ready?
It doesn't. Is the Big Ben loud?
I don't know. I've never done one.
Kids, I don't like loud.
Yes.
I really don't like
I
loud.
don't know.
You'll be alright, just stay with your dad.
Okay, this is crazy. I'm gonna turn this off now.
I would.
Yeah. Cause I want to turn this off. Is this okay to touch? Alright. So yeah. Oh, look. Just got another one. Sorry guys for missing. Ah, there was only two left. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Good night and goodbye.